so excited to introduce our first device in our Jolie Visage skincare line, and we named our device Visage Lift and Plump. It has 5 different modalities, and we used this in treatment, and we had so many requests for home use that we were able to have it manufactured for us. So I just applied our activator, which is a Triple Hyaluronic Serum, and I'm going to press that product into the skin, and that'll be my the first pass is pressing into the skin, and you'll immediately feel activity. I would spend some time doing that, but I want to move on to the next modality, and that one is really important. The second modality is to lift the skin, lifting in an upward motion, pressing up against the muscles, going around the sides of the face, really giving the structure, the fascia of the skin support around the eyes, upwards, on the brow, on the forehead, and repeating those steps upwards on the neck. This treatment is designed to use for any skin type at home, 3 to 5, 7 nights a week, whatever works into your schedule. You'll do 15 minutes of that treatment, 15 to 20. You'll apply our accelerating DNA EGF serum, followed by our miracle cream with retinol and EGF. It'll multiply cells. It will brighten and tighten. I can't say enough about this device. It is very exciting, and this is our new launch of the first device, and we hope that you enjoy it. It's a high quality spa treatment that will give you great anti-aging results. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.